Hello student, in last lecture we discussed about deviation of line of regression of y on x, and in today's lecture we discuss about the line of regression of x on y. Then the line of regression of capital X on capital Y is the line which gives best estimate of capital X for any given value of capital Y. It is obtained by the principle of least squares, that is, by minimizing the sum of squares of deviations along capital X axis. The equation of regression line of capital X on capital Y is given by capital X is equal to a dash plus b dash capital Y. This is equation number 1, where a dash and b dash are constants to be determined, so that the sum of squares of errors of estimates, that is S is equal to summation in bracket xi minus a dash minus b dash into yi bracket square is minimum. Working on similar lines of above case, we can obtain the normal equations for estimating a dash and b dash, as after differentiate this s with respect to a and with respect to a, and solving this term we get summation xi is equal to n into a dash plus b dash into summation yi. This is equation number 2, and summation xi into yi is equal to a dash into summation yi plus b dash into summation yi square. This is equation number 3. Next, further simplifying, the values of a dash and b dash are given by a dash is equal to x bar minus b dash into y, and b dash is equal to, we know that in last lecture b dash is equal to b of xy, which is equal to b of xy is nothing but covariance of capital X comma capital Y divided by variance of capital Y, which is equal to this. Solving this equation we get which is equal to r into summation sigma x upon sigma y. Substituting these values in given equation, we get equation of line of regression of capital X on capital Y as small x minus small x bar is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y into y minus y bar. This is equation number 6. Then the constant b dash in equation is known as coefficient of regression of capital X on capital Y and is denoted by b of xy. It is the slope of line of regression of capital X on capital Y. Next point is properties of regression coefficients. First property is the algebraic sign of byx, bxy and r are the same. Proof: we know that the definition is byx is equal to covariance of capital X comma capital Y upon variance of capital X, which is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x, and b of bxy is equal to covariance of capital X comma capital Y upon variance of capital Y, which is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. Since sigma x and sigma y are positive, and the signs of both bxy and byx depend on that of r, that is this r. Thus, if r is positive, then byx and bxy are also positive, and if r is negative, then byx and bxy are also negative, and hence the proof. Then next property is, that is second property, the correlation coefficient is the geometric mean between the regression coefficients, that is r square is equal to byx into bxy. That is, we have to prove that r square is equal to byx into bxy. So proof we have, that is, we know that byx is equal to covariance of capital X comma capital Y upon variance of x is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x, and bxy is equal to covariance of capital X comma capital Y upon variance of capital Y, which is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. Therefore byx into bxy is equal to, we have to prove r square is equal to byx into bxy. So consider the RHS of this equation, byx into bxy, which is equal to value of byx is r into sigma y upon sigma x into value of bxy is r into sigma x upon sigma y. That is, this sigma y and sigma y get cancelled, sigma x get cancelled, r into r is r square is equal to byx into bxy, or we can also write the r is equal to plus minus under root byx into bxy, hence the proof.